Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss some machine learning project ideas. So, let's get started. Number 12. Operating a drone requires some skill and regular practice, but if you don't have that much time, then you could take some help from this project. Here, Murtaza shows how he controls a drone using his body movement. He used a PID controller that maps the body's position into coordinates. As he moves, the coordinates get changed from the neutral position, and accordingly, the drone follows the new coordinates. In this way, the drone always follows the body movements, while maintaining a certain safe distance from the body. Number 11. No need to spend your hard-earned money on home automation devices because all you need is a microcontroller board and regular sunglasses to control various appliances at your home. Yup, you heard it right. Nick attached a camera at the front of his glasses that streams the video to the Jetson Nano. Using this, he just looks at the object he wants to control, makes a gesture, and voila, the task is completed. The objects and gestures are identified using a two-layer neural network, which triggers certain objects like opening and closing the lights. Number 10. If you've not got gaming skills and missed the targets most of the time, then this project can be a great hack. Kamal made a pixel-scanning aimbot that can easily detect targets based on the colors of the screen. In order to make it undetectable by the game software, he made a physical setup, in which he added 4 omnidirectional wheels to his mouse. With this, the bot can move easily in any direction. He trained the model for 2 or 3 days, and after that, the aimbot was aiming better than most of the pro players. Number 9. With the evolution of artificial intelligence, the way of solving problems has also evolved. One such project based on it is the way to measure temperature. It uses an RGB and infrared camera to measure the temperature of the objects in real time. On the left side of the screen, you could see the objects and their temperature using the RGB camera, while the infrared camera gives a visual representation of the object's hotness. The hot objects can be identified with red color and the cold objects with blue color. Number 8. If you're into archery, then you might know how hard it is to hit a bullseye. It requires patience, dedication, and a lot of practice. But this aimbot can do that pretty easily. The archery bot controls the bow angle of attack using Metal Gear motors. A stepper motor pulls the string and arrow back, and a servo releases the bow to shoot. Using an Intel RealSense depth camera, the color and depth of a target are identified. Using this data, the initial angle and the velocity of the arrow are calculated. Altium's a PCB design software that's both powerful and easy to use. With its intuitive interface and comprehensive set of features, Altium Designer makes it easy to create high-quality PCB designs. And with all-new Altium 365, now you can share your PCB designs with anyone from anywhere with a single click. With Octopart, you can get real-time component insights as you design your PCB in Altium. Check the description for more details. Number 7. In the above-discussed drone project, the drone was controlled using body movement. And you can't do some quick actions using that. For example, flipping a drone like this. To make this happen, you can learn how to operate it using hand gestures. In this project, Murtaza added some safety features to control, like the drone can be operated only when a face is detected and the left hand is used to make gestures. Also, the hand must be present inside a specific box. If these conditions are not met, the drone will not operate. Number 5. If you want to improve your playing style and check whether your form is good or bad, then this project could be a great help. Samuel attached a microcontroller to his table tennis bat, and with the motion trainer, he trained the model to identify different types of shots. It even tells whether you're playing a particular shot properly or not. It's impressive how he managed to place the components compactly over the bat that does not create any hindrance while playing. Number 5. If you're a die-hard fan of the Harry Potter series and want to relive the experience, then we have something magical for you. When you draw certain letters in the air with this wand, it'll perform some activity. Like drawing the letter A represents Alohomora, which opens up a box. The tip of the wand has an infrared LED. A night vision camera captures these movements and streams the video to Raspberry Pi. The patterns are recognized by machine learning models, and using Raspberry Pi, the tasks are performed. Number 4. Meet AutoBill, a fast and effective setup to generate shopping bills, thus reducing the checkout time. This project might look like a product, but it's completely DIY. It identifies the objects using a camera placed above, while the load cell at the bottom weighs the object. The object, along with its weight, price, and quantity, is then automatically added to the cart and the bill is generated, thus omitting the need for human involvement. The users can simply pay the total amount and collect their groceries. Thus, it reduces the chances of forming long queues. Number 3. If you're bored being alone at home, then this Nerf turret bot can become your friend. But watch out, as it'll throw turrets at your face. The turret continuously tracks the face, and the Python script sends the face coordinates to the Arduino. The Arduino then moves a servo in order to position the camera at the center of the face. As the face is detected, turrets are thrown. All this process happens so fast that the turret barely misses a target. So, would you dare to try this project out? Tell us in the comments. Number 2. One of the common causes of pollution is improper waste management at the starting level, for example, homes. We often mix various types of waste in one bin, which gets difficult to segregate at a higher level. That's where this project can help. This smart dustbin, made by Samuel, identifies the type of waste thrown at it, and then accordingly rotates the bottom section of the bin to collect that. Whether it be paper, plastic, or any other type of waste, the smart bin takes care of all things. Number 1. This is another project to improve your high score in certain games. The setup might look simple, but can get the job done for you. At the top, it has a camera placed inside a frame that continuously looks at the screen, while the bottom section has an arm mechanism connected to the controller's joystick. Using machine learning, the bot's able to identify the object on the screen. The Arduino then moves the joystick over the object using a servo motor and plays the games easily. So, these were some of the best machine learning projects that you can try. Drop a like and subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us. We'll be back with some great project ideas soon. Till then, goodbye!